Start out by cleaning the machine using brushes. Now you can use water from a hose, but do not use water from a pressure washer. Pressure washers can introduce salt and grime right in the engine and all the components that we don't want it to be in. Make sure to clean thoroughly, get all the salt dust off the engine from previous year, especially out the spreader and those components, and wiping it down with the towel. Next, we want to make sure we shut off the fuel and drain that carb out by running all the fuel out of the engine. And don't forget to shut that key off at the end of the year. Next thing we'll do is service the air cleaner. Remove the air cleaner cover. And then remove the second wing nut to pull the air cleaner itself off. Take that to the bench to either clean it or install a new one. Install the air filter. Put the wing nut back on that. The air cleaner cover, replace that. Use 1.2 quarts of synthetic 10W30 motor oil. No filter change is required on this engine. Use general purpose synthetic grease to coat the rod of the cylinders. Exposed rods of the cylinder. Use dielectric grease to coat the pins of the connectors. Add a few drops of penetrating oil to the bushings and the motion control levers. Remove the brine cover. We'll fill the brine system here with 1 to 2 gallons of fresh, clean water. And we'll come up here, switch the pump to the on position. So start pumping fluid. We'll run water out through the spray nozzles. Switch this lever to the wand position. And we'll grab the wand off the side and spray that until fresh, clean water comes out. Revert the lever back, flip the switch. Once that process is done, we'll want to service the strainer. Fluid will come out. inspect that filter, make sure the screen is nice and clean. If necessary, we'll clean that out. Last step is to add about a gallon of RV antifreeze, propylene glycol. Put that into the system. Place the cover. Run the whole cycle again. Turn the switch on. Let it run out the nozzles. Flip the lever. Run some through the wand again. Flip the lever back. Turn the pump off. Check tire pressure to ensure the tires are inflated to 18 psi. And the Snowrator is ready for storage. We hope you found this video helpful today. If you have any questions, please contact the Boss Tech Service Team. We're here to back you up. Shop any other genuine Boss attachments for the Snowrator at bossplow.com.